Paige's Animal Spotlight. Today we're going to be learning about one of the most striking animals in the ocean, the lionfish.
Lionfish are just stunning, and they can get to be up to about 18 inches long.
Lionfish are originally native to the South Pacific and Indian Oceans, but most likely due to the pet trade and getting released here and there, they've become a real problem, an invasive species right here off the coast of Florida. That makes them one of the first Pacific fish documented as an invasive species in Atlantic waters. There's a lot of concern about lionfish being invasive species. For example, are they eating a lot of the baby reef fish that are supposed to be here in the Atlantic Ocean?
I took this photo of some lionfish living in a pipe off the Florida Keys this year.
They can survive in almost any marine ecosystem as long as the water is somewhat warm. That means you might find them right up near the coast or hundreds of feet deep. Lionfish are slow moving, so you think that would make them easy targets for predators. But they have an adaptation that helps them to survive. Lionfish have distinct dorsal spines on top of their head, and those spines can cause an extremely painful sting. If you're stung by a lionfish, it's best to seek medical attention because in some cases, and these are extreme cases, but in some cases, they can even cause paralysis.
It's feeding time for our lionfish at the aquarium. Now you don't want to blink because you just might miss it. For an otherwise slow-moving fish, that strike is so incredibly quick. Look at those big eyes, looking for food. When we drop that food in the water, it barely touches the water before one of our lionfish strike out and grab it. With all of these breathtaking lionfish competing for food in the same tank, it can become quite a chore to make sure that each individual gets his fair share.
A female lionfish can release up to 30,000 eggs per spawn, and in warm climates, like off the southern coast of Florida, they can spawn every 4 days. That is a lot of new lionfish being introduced into our reef system.
Of course, a large majority of those eggs aren't going to survive to adulthood. Nonetheless, it is estimated that there are more lionfish per acre in the Caribbean than there are in their natural Indo-Pacific habitat.